Today we'll show you how to change language in Word or download language in Word. Okay, the first we'll go here to Google and here put language accessory pack for Office. Like this. Just click and here go. This is the first link in Microsoft. After this, put down. Okay, here you are choose your language. It's Arabic, it's English, French, Dutch, what you want. Okay, we will choose English United States and download. This is 64-bit. Okay, here we will wait a second. Okay, download. Now this is seconds. Okay, here now click in Office Setup. Just wait a few seconds. And now click to continue. He said we need to close the following apps. Okay, just here go to Word. If you have Word opening, just click and close it. And now click in continue and wait a few seconds. You must to be close any Office like Excel, PowerPoint, like Word. We have now downloading in our Office pack language United States English, and you can download Arabic or French or what you want here. After guys, we wait a few minutes. Just click close and now go open Word. This is Word and go to option, go to language, and here we have now English. Okay, now put like this. Okay, and now just close. Okay, after this, now open Word and go to option 2 and language and put here like this, and English it's like this, and okay, and okay, close and open, and now we have a Word with English or Office with English. Okay, now it's good. So don't forget like and subscribe and like and share, and thank you.